Excel cursors are indicators of your mouse on the computer screen, and different types of cursors allow for different actions or commands to be executed. The Select Mode cursor is used to select cells by clicking and dragging, or click the row column header to select the entire column or row. Clicking the triangle in the upper right corner of the spreadsheet will select the whole worksheet. The click and drag cursor is used to cut and paste the contents from one cell to another by clicking and dragging the contents. To find the cursor, move your mouse to the outside borders of an active cell. Then left-click, hold, and drag with your mouse with the cursor to cut and paste a cell. The autofill cursor does two things. It copies and pastes the contents of one cell to another, and it fills or completes a series like dates or days of the week. You can only use this cursor if you place your mouse on the bottom right-hand corner of the active cell. This is called the fill handle. To autofill, click the fill handle with the autofill cursor, then drag. The resizing cursor is used to resize columns and rows. To reveal this cursor, move your mouse to the border line separating a column or row. Then click and drag to resize. You can also double-click to auto-fit the row or cell to the exact length of the data inside of it. The I-beam cursor appears when you are in an area where you can type or begin data entry. To reveal this cursor, double-click in any cell. An insertion point indicator will begin blinking inside of the cell, letting you know that you can begin data entry. You have just learned about different cursors in Excel.